And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 38. Let me show you how I can create a blur vignette. I copied the original so that we have the original as backup, and then we work on a copy. Best way to do it is to go to Filter, Blur Gallery and use the iris blur. Already introduced that in an earlier tutorial. For blur vignette, drag this outer point to the sides of your photo. Increase the blur. I'll go to the extreme so that we can see the effect applied. The ones on the inside are for the feather. So this is the start of the feathering, and then the outer points are the ends where it's fully blurred. You can reposition that with the center. Just left click drag on it, and you can also adjust the blur, which is the same as the slider here, by left clicking and dragging on this bigger circle. Then we go to around 100. By the way, if you can't see that, check your preview. It needs to be checked for it to be visible. Confirm we are okay, then it gets processed. And that's all there is. Here was the original, and here's the one with the blur vignette. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.